Can you tell what it is yet? Well, we're back under the van again. I've got them cables there, them ones. I need mounting to bumper. I don't know where to mount them, because I didn't want them to get in the way of my Towbar. As you can see, I don't have a Towbar, but by today I'll have a Towbar. It's going to get a severe brushing and a coat of paint. Well, there we are after a bit of a brush over. I'm amazed how thick some of this stuff is, because once upon a time that was all steel on there. Maybe that's why it don't feel as heavy as it did before. Well, this maybe ain't the best quality paint in the world, but I think for a Towbar it'll do good enough. I even found this old drop plate. I don't know if I'm going to need it, but I might as well paint it now just in case I do. Don't pull on that, it's plastic. And you see these bolts up here? It says hoping this will focus on something eventually. There we are. These bolts are evil. They're quite tough to get out. But there's one on either side of this spring hanger. And there's a third one here that holds the bush for the spring hanger, and those three bolts are what hold on the Towbar. Now I don't know what happens if you take all three bolts out at once, so I'm not going to take this one out. I've took them two out over here on that side and nothing happened, so I'm guessing I can get away with taking these two bolts out on this side, and then I can offer up the Towbar, get them 4 bolts back in a couple of turns with fingers, and they don't turn with fingers, they turn with impact drill. Get them 4 bolts back in, then I can take these two all the way out, which I've already slackened off, put them through the Towbar, and then I've got a Towbar. That's the theory. But now I've got to use that big bar down there somewhere, there, and spend about another 20 minutes doing this damn thing, a quarter. Why can it not auto adjust? A quarter turn, 20 minutes at a time. Well, back under here, just to show how it's mounted now it's on. You have to undo these 2 bolts either side of this spring, and this back one back here, which holds the back of all this spring mount. You can, well, I did manage to take them out with the van just sat here and nothing catastrophic happened. You know, the spring didn't separate and move, and van did fall over. But I wouldn't advise taking the 3 bolts out and then wobbling the van about, because I don't know what was holding that in place. It could have just been muck and rust. But there's the bolt this side, there's the bolt that side, and you've got 3 bolts over on that side, which are kind of the same. And I've put my old hitch on with the pin through, Because you never know when you just want to stick a tow rope through it or something. What is missing is my step. We can't find it nowhere. It's been over a year since we took it off the 806 and we thought it was behind the bunny cage, but no, it's not behind the bunny cage. So I don't know where that is. But that's bolted on. That's stage 1, I suppose, because stage 2 will be putting my step back on. But it's on. Always got to find a bit I've missed, haven't you?
Yep. It's part of the job.